getting all this honey. This sweet honey. Pollens, bees. I got 3 tadpole bees. This game is pretty fun. I've been playing for about 4 years and I have gotten badges since 2019. I don't know if that's 4 years or 5 years. This is very cool. This game is pretty fun, not gonna lie. I recommend it. You collect all this honey from my coin scatter and it gives you millions of honey, trust me. It's so worth it. You can get about 3 times your honey from the max. So it's pretty recommended to have it when you're on the game like this. There was an event in the game for like 24 hours. You can buy little things. I'll show you right now. You can buy these for like tickets if you have the right badges or something. Look, it's like one of these things, like the sweatband. Yeah, one of these things. You can buy them. They're pretty cool. Pretty nice items to get while doing it. And they're pretty good. I'll show you the stats right now. So this is the stats. So they give you some pretty decent boosts, like 18% white gather amount, 18 blue gather amount, 3% gather amount, 23 energy, and I put these waxes so I don't risk my thing. And any recommended things to do for getting these like blues, because I'm trying to get this item right here. I might craft the enzymes, but I'm trying to get this belt right here. This sweet belt right here that I've been trying to get for a long time. This is probably one of the best belts for me I should get right now. So I have the 58 glue. That is pretty good. I just need the 50 enzymes. So let me see what I need from. Let's see. So I want to know how to get all of this stuff pretty fast. I know how to get the jellies. They're pretty simple, pretty strong. But I want to know how to get these pineapple things faster. These pineapples are very hard to get. I don't know why. I know pineapple gives them, but I don't know. It's pretty hard to get. Let's try this. You can get a free glue from this? Alright. Let's try to get a free glue. You can go around it and you can get these little fidget things. Didn't get anything right now. Oh. Don't look at nothing, but you can get better items from here. There's like a chance you can get something. This is pretty cool. It's a pretty fun game. It's pretty recommended. It's a very good game for people that are looking for something to spend their time a lot on. This is also for, a lot of things. Bye bye.